Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right online Mandarin tutor. One rule impacts both your life and Mandarin learning. If you want to have dramatic improvement via tutoring classes, the rule is to choose the tutor who is sharing the same time zone as you. Why? First, a greater schedule. Most native Mandarin speakers are located in Taiwan or China or other Asian countries. If you work with a tutor in Asia, and let's say you are living in New York City, the time difference between you and your tutor is likely around 12 hours. If you look closely, you will find their class either in very early or very late hours to you. This means either you are going to wake up very early or staying up till 3 a.m. to having class. However, if your tutor is in the same time zone as yours, or at least close enough, you will have a greater and flexible schedule. You can book the class during your lunch break or 1 hour before cooking for your family. In a long run, you are turning the time here and there into productive usage. Second, higher efficiency. Also, if the tutor is in the same time zone, you don't have to wake up at 3 a.m. to have the class. It leads you to a better quality of sleep. So in the daytime, it helps you handling work efficiently. In the evening, it gives you the energy to spend quality time with family, to show them your love. Of course, your Mandarin practicing will be more efficient as well. No one wants to screw their life up just because need to fix the tutor schedule to having classes. I don't. I believe you don't want it either. So unless you are very sure you are a night person, having a Mandarin tutor who is in the same time zone is always a better and smarter move. Summary. One rule impacts both your life and Mandarin learning. Choose a Mandarin tutor who is in the same time zone. You will have a greater schedule and it leads you a higher efficiency both in life and Mandarin learning. Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right online Mandarin tutor. The first one secret is shopping around and how. Final. A question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wei Ling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.